It's Buzz's birthday today, but something very surprising is about to happen. Shall we begin the story? Enter the little ant felt happy, happy, happy. The little pretty ant twirled around her cozy home. What's she doing? With a cloth in one hand and a broom in the other, she went sweep, 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 swish, swish, swish. Anta hummed a tune and danced as she cleaned her home. Shiny floor, check, check, check. Fluffy cushions, yes. Pretty flowers, all done. Today was a very special day. It was Buzz the Bee's birthday, and Anta and her friends had planned a party for her. Anta looked at a big checklist. All done. Now it's cake time. On the table she placed flour, eggs, butter, sugar, and most important of all, sprinkles, candies, chocolates, M&Ms, Kit Kats, marshmallows. Swish, swish went the egg beater. Splish, splosh went the spatula. Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. Oh, my hand is aching. But into the pan went the batter. And I licked her hands and giggled. Yum, yum, yummy. This is going to be a fantastic cake. And the pan went into the warm oven. The house smelled like vanilla clouds and chocolate dreams. Yum! Soon out came a golden puffy cake. Perfect! Ding dong! Ding dong! In hopped the friends. Goldy the grasshopper, Bugsy the ladybug, Cathy the caterpillar, and of course the birthday girl, Buzz the bee. The house filled with chatter. Yes, yes, chit-chat, chit-chat, giggle, giggle. Soon it was time for dessert. Anta danced to the kitchen and returned with a cake. A round, brown, plain cake. No sprinkles, no candies, no chocolates, nothing fancy on it. Wow! Buzz blinked. She looked sad and said, "Oh, Anta, is this my birthday cake?" Cathy frowned. Goldy shook his head. Anta only smiled, a tiny secret smile. "Come on, Buzz," she said. "Cut it. It's okay." With utter disappointment, everyone began. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday. Swish, the knife went in. And lo behold, out tumbled candies, chocolates, sprinkles, M&M, Kit Kat, marshmallows, milk chocolate, wafers. Oh God! It was a candy store inside the cake. Buzz gasped. "Wow! What's this?" Everyone yelled, "Yippee! It's a treasure cake!" A cake that was plain outside, but with all the goodies hiding inside. Buzz hugged Anta tight. "Thank you, Anta. This is the best birthday cake ever." Everyone cheered. Crunch, munch, nom, 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 nom. Crunch, crunch. Anta beamed. She knew one thing for sure. This was a party her friends would remember forever and ever. What a surprise birthday cake. Do you want a treasure cake as well? I would love to have one. See you next time with another interesting story. Till then, bye-bye.